Alright, what's going on, fellas, and welcome to Thursday's video on December 16th. Fed day yesterday, and it was absolutely nuts. And we finally broke out of this range that we've been in for, I don't feel like counting, but it feels like way too long. So now we're out of it, and then, boom, finally. We're way above it now, which I don't really like. This line is also a no man's land for the S&P, so tough, but... Anyway, let's get into some setups. First one, you already know my baby, Qualcomm. So, looking absolutely lovely. I actually didn't even realize I should probably put these lines here. So this is actually where we might see a little pullback too. Anyway, right under all-time highs. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. We're on the 180 chart, and we're hovering near the 2 deviation. And I believe Morgan Stanley gave a price target upgrade. Here we go. Qualcomm's overweight rating was reiterated, and Morgan Stanley raised it to 215 from 187. That's good enough for me. And also, I'm actually following that because if you guys look at Roku's chart, some analysts gave it a price target of 190 yesterday, and look where it dropped to. So I feel like the market's really susceptible to upgrades and downgrades, especially in this market. So if we get a move to 215 or whatever, this is going to be crazy move, and the 3 deviations right around like 209 210, so looks good. These will definitely move higher as the stock moves, so love it. Next up, Apple setting up this little flag. It looks way cleaner on the 5-day 5-minute. As you can see, it catches these highs and all that, so I'd rather be playing this. We're above everything else on the bigger time frame, so we're looking good. Tesla next up. Wow, what a pullback. Holy. I'm not going to play it only if it does an opening range up and it actually has good risk to reward. It's got to stay in the R's, because if it goes to no man's land, it's just going to chop around all day, I think. I don't know if you guys heard my comment yesterday, but I was going to play the Powell pump, and yeah, I got in some NVIDIA calls and made some money, which was good. And then I played some SPY calls. I have a huge hack that I learned from one of the big YouTubers that I'm actually going to show you to literally win every single time on Fed Day. If you guys want to see that video, stay tuned. It's literally just playing the options premium, but it's unbelievable what I will show you and how I made money yesterday. So let me know if you want to see that. NVIDIA, I don't know how many times I've seen this trade in this white channel here, so I don't know. Just going to see what it does here. Out of all the semis, Qualcomm is the best to me, so it doesn't matter. This I wanted to mention to you guys. I don't know if you guys are swing traders, but if you are, I would take X here all day, every day, because as you can see here, we're trying to break out of this wedge again, and I'm not going to take it only unless it hits this white line here, which kind of corresponds with R2, so I like it. You have everything here. Broke out of a wedge. This red line here, this is where statistically the most volume is being traded, and we're right here at a breakout level. So if you guys are swing trading, not financial advice, but I'm down here. Alright guys, that's about it. About 10 minutes to go here. I definitely think that we're going to get a move right into the open, but after that, let's just wait for it to shake out and then maybe catch a good move. Alright, catch you guys there. Alright fellas, about 30 seconds. Getting a little bit of a pullback, which is fine. Let's get it. Look at the Qs, by the way, right at the 100 fib. Crazy. And this trend line. Alright, main watch, Quali. Let's get it. Is it going to do it again? I really hope not. I'm going to buy 2 here. Might just do it again. Just going to surge. Oh my god, this thing's crazy. I fucking love this stock, bro. I love this stock. Not fully sized in yet, though. Keep that in mind. Knew we were going to get a pullback. Preferably would like to see it at the red line. But I would also like to see it hold R1, because seeing as though this is no man's land, I don't really like it as much. What are markets doing? Should see a pullback first. Wow, big dump. Look at NVIDIA. Qualcomm holding relatively well so far. Nice, I like the move. I'll buy 3 more if we break out, but 1 if we get another pullback. Man, look at this thing. Alright, buying 3 more. 202 is the fill. Jesus, man. Look at this thing. It's just going. Oh my god, we're up big. Holy smokes, guys. 222 is the sell. How much do we have left? We have 2 left. Jesus Christ, bro. Look at this thing. I love this stock so much. Alright, selling 1. Getting too much of a pullback here on this candle. And then I'm going to let this one ride. Alright, this candle looks kind of gross. I'm just going to take profit here. Wow, that was a bad sell. Only walked away with 126 on that. Jeez, guys. Oh, I love the setup on Apple. I'm going to show you guys this in a second. Hold on. Look at this setup on Apple. Pull back to R1. Back into R2 in no man's land. I don't want to chase it here. Alright, I'm going to take 1. I'm going to scale in here. Preferably like to see a pullback to R1. But I want some skin in the game here. Apple loves the 1 hour. Look at that. In the median of the move. Beautiful. Oh my god. Look at the dump on Qualcomm. That is terrifying. I'm so confused because Qualcomm is part of Apple. And they move in tandem usually. But not today, man. I'm scared we might just crack Hive pre-market. Which is right at R3. And just dump. What? Alright. What was the volume like before this? Did you guys see that? Oh, big size coming in on the contracts I'm selling. I've seen that way too many times. Sellers. Believe it or not. Finally wised up to that. If it holds R1 though, I'm such a bull. Alright, now we're back down to no man's land. But we have the MAs there. Alright, I'm going to take 1 here. Want some skin in the game. However, if we don't close above R1 / this trend, I think I'm out. Yeah, this is a scratch. Took way too long to get filled there. Jeez, man, that is so tough. Guys, why does X do this, bro? So many gaps in this area. Like, who's... Like, look at this. This gap, look at where that corresponds to. I mean, it was this low, yes, but I mean, like, it made another gap within the gap. Come on. So annoying. I just want this thing to move higher. But it always likes to fill gaps, and it's just going to move down again. I can't believe I'm trading AbbVie again. I don't even know how to say that stupid name. Look at this, though. Awesome looking. Oh, we're well above the 3 on the 180. Yeah, broke out retest, and then, yep. I don't like that on AbbVie. Yep, felt like that was going to happen. $128, terrible fill. I lost like 12 to... whatever. Poor decision. Alright guys, X is rejecting off of R5, which is massive resistance, so we can somehow get a candle under candle on game here. This thing is proven to be strong, however. The puts are holding up though, that's bizarre. Now we're getting a big breakdown, fellas. I'm going to take 5 here as a starter on X. Got the 23 puts. We're getting below R5 here. I want to add in more. 5 is not enough. However, VWAP looks like the tough one. Price target is this white line, which is the gap fill down here. Like way below open price. So, looks like we're going to sell off on the Dow as well. Yeah, I want to see how we react here at R5. Looks good so far. Bollingers have to start curling out, though, for this thing to get moving. Key level break is also this for X here. Trying to break VWAP, we'll take 5 more here. Nice. We tried to get over R5 and we couldn't. Nice. Bollinger's starting to move down here. This looks pretty good, guys. If we can get this continued sell-off through this line here, we're looking good. Price target is the white. Look at this sell-off, baby. Looks tremendous. Alright, SPY's starting to move here. I literally told myself if we didn't get any movement at, like before 10 o'clock, I was going to call it, but it looks like we're here. Oh, look at the selling come in. Look at that volume. Wouldn't be surprised to see a retest of R5 first. This is the clear level, guys. Candle over candle starting to fail. We need to see the 9 on the 5-minute chart chill out a bit because it's still going straight up. Part 1 is done. VWAP is starting to get horizontal, which I like. Because, I mean, look at this. All day was going straight up and up and up. Now it's starting to curl back over. Oh, look at the sell-off on the S&P. Love it. Alright, here we go, X. Let's get this sell-off. Nice. Here we go. I'd buy 5 more if I could, but I'm really trading the P&L. I'm already leveraged enough, I believe. Alright, we're getting that sell-off, though. The 9 is right here, though, as you can see. Alright. Nice sell-off on X. Love it. How much are the in the monies right now? 52. So if we get in the money, our contract should be around here. A nice $240 bag off of that. I want to see this entire thing retrace. Nice. We're getting big movement here now. I did see the volume really step in here, which is not my favorite thing to see. Starting to get below the 9 on the 5. Anticipated that. Got to get the move back down though. I mean, price target to at least this volume shelf here at 2302, which is right where our contracts would be in the money. We did buy the 23s. All right, this looks great for a sell-off. Let's continue here, X. There we go. There's the candle under candle. Now let's get the big push down. Nice. Gotta see this thing continue, though. There we go. Good push. Love it. Now I'm going to take off 5 here. 27. It's an unfortunate fill. Just red on red. Disgusting. Flag worked out on Amazon if you saw that. Alright, this looks good for a downside play. Get that candle under candle. Same pattern as up here. You see a big flush down here. Come on, X. Nice. Perfect setup. Looking for this low to break this low. 23, 25. Nice number. Nice. Tapped it. Nice. Bid just got below. We moved it. I don't like that bounce, though. And you see this continue more. Could have just been a fake out. Dow looks weak as well. Nice. There's no reason for me to stop out here. I mean, look at the market, guys. We're just tanking. Okay, I'm going to take it off here. There's a lot of green coming in on the tape. 28 sell, not bad. Alright, guys, I'm going to call it here. I have like $500 left of buying power, but I think the market's done for today. Unfortunate. I really thought we were going to get some continuation, but looking at it now, I would actually rather see this move, to be honest, because I want to see that gap close, you know, nicely. And then get that another move higher. So, alright, looks better for tomorrow. Alright, before I let you go, let's check out the P&L. Bada boom, 154. Another 3-digit day. Looks awesome. So we got only $5 on Apple, but with commissions, it's probably around break even. AbbVie, don't know why I traded this. Had 0 volume, and I knew that. For some reason, I thought volume was just going to come in because that was the only name that was kind of somewhat up. And then a nice 126 on Qualcomm, my baby. Still providing, but knew we were going to be shaky, so I took profits early, which was a good decision. And then a nice play on X. If only those contracts were more expensive, right? But that's the way it is. As of right now, this thing's starting to hang up here. But yeah, guys, some really good trades. Hope you guys learned something. All right, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Take it easy.